The PPE, Fixed Assets, Reconciliation, Checklist. Step 1. Count the assets, Physical Verification. 1. Match the items. Go out and physically count the equipment and buildings, then match what you find against the official Fixed Asset Register, FAR. 2. Catch the new items. Make sure any new equipment bought up until the day of the count has been successfully added to the registry list. 3. Fix missing or broken items. If an item is missing or broken beyond repair, get management's approval to remove it from the books. Once it is deleted, make sure the system stops charging depreciation on it. Step 2. Check the math, the asset roll forward. 1. Run the formula. For every asset group, like vehicles or buildings, verify that the math works exactly like this. Starting balance plus new purchases. Items removed is equal to ending balance. 2. Check last year. Confirm that the starting numbers perfectly match the final numbers from last year's official financial report. 3. Match the general ledger. Ensure the final calculated balance matches the main accounting system, general ledger. 4. Rules for upgrades. Look at major purchases and confirm they actually qualify as long-term assets under accounting rules, IAS 16, rather than just everyday expenses. Step 3. Sort out costs and repairs. 1. Check the price tag. Double-check that the initial purchase price of the asset was entered correctly. 2. Spare parts rule. Only count major backup parts or specialized servicing tools as fixed assets if they will last longer than 1 year. 3. Everyday maintenance. Do not add daily upkeep, cleaning, or routine repair costs to the value of the asset. These must be written off immediately as regular expenses. Step 4. Handle retired or sold assets. 1. Ask, why? Talk to management to understand the business reason for getting rid of an asset, for example, scrapping a broken machine or trading it in for a newer model. 2. Clean the books. When an asset is sold or scrapped, wipe its original cost and all of its built-up, accumulated depreciation off the books. 3. Calculate win-loss. Calculate the exact difference between what it was worth on the books and what it was sold for to record the correct profit or loss. The borrowings, loans, checklist. 1. Get external proof. Request a formal statement or confirmation letter directly from the bank or lender and compare their balance to what is written in your company's books. 2. Investigate differences. If the bank's numbers and your numbers do not match, dig into the details, look at the receipts, transaction history, and figure out exactly why they disagree. 3. Review the contract. Cross-check your loan balances and upcoming interest payments against the original legal loan agreement to ensure compliance with the terms.